Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most exciting electric SUVs hitting the market, the 2026 Chevrolet Blazer EV. Yep, Chevy is leveling up in a big way, and this Blazer EV is turning heads for all the right reasons. Whether you're an EV fan, a daily commuter, or someone who simply wants a stylish and powerful SUV, this one deserves your attention. The moment you see the 2026 Chevy Blazer EV in the showroom, one thing becomes clear. This SUV wasn't designed to blend in. It was designed to stand out. Chevrolet went bold with the styling. You get aggressive LED lighting across the front, clean sculpted lines, and a sporty stance that screams modern performance. And even though it's fully electric, it still carries that Blazer attitude with confidence. It's sharp, futuristic, and unmistakably Chevy. Walk around the vehicle and you'll see aerodynamic elements everywhere. Flush door handles, smooth bodywork, and a sleek floating roofline that gives it a premium, almost luxury feel. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. Now step inside, and the 2026 Blazer EV really tries to impress. You're greeted by a beautifully designed interior that feels both high-tech and refined. At the center, a massive infotainment screen takes command of the cabin, offering intuitive controls, sharp graphics, and all your EV features right at your fingertips. The cockpit wraps around the driver with soft-touch materials, customizable ambient lighting, and a digital gauge cluster that gives you real-time EV stats like range, charging, and performance. Chevrolet didn't just add tech, they made it meaningful. You get features like hands-free Super Cruise on select trims, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto smart charging locations integrated into the GPS-enhanced safety features with 360-degree cameras. Over-the-air software updates. The Blazer EV isn't just modern, it's future-ready. And for charging, the 2026 Blazer EV supports fast charging, letting you quickly top up and get back on the road, whether you drive highways, city streets, or a mix of both. This SUV is built to perform with confidence. Beyond performance, the Blazer EV nails everyday practicality. The cabin offers plenty of room for passengers, comfortable seating, and flexible cargo space for road trips, groceries, or gear. The rear seats fold down easily for extra space. Ride comfort is smooth, controlled, and surprisingly quiet, even for an EV. The suspension tuning gives you a solid balance between comfort and stability, making the Blazer EV a great pick for families, commuters, and long-distance travelers alike. Chevrolet is clearly aiming to give drivers a bold, capable electric SUV that doesn't feel boring or overpriced. The 2026 Blazer EV brings style, tech, and performance together in a package that stands tall in the growing EV market. And that wraps up our breakdown of the 2026 Chevrolet Blazer EV, the electric SUV that's ready to shake up the competition. What do you think? Is the Blazer EV on your radar? Would you buy one? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your opinions. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss future automotive content.